Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with our first haircut transformation. Looks like she is getting a bob here. Ooh, she also went a tad bit darker. So cute. And then we move on over to this blonde bob makeover. So she went from a dark hair to this gorgeous blonde. And of course, you know what they say, blondes do have more fun. So moving right along, we have another color change. Oh, wow. I love the results of this one. I love the texture of her hair, the color. Wow, that was absolutely beautiful. So here we have someone with mid-length dark hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. Ooh. Very nice. She got money piece highlights to frame out her face. A nice cascading bob. So cute. I really like the color here that the stylist did as well. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. So next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's getting some color here for this one as well, going darker. And she gets a nice layered cut with the curtain bangs. This is a very popular haircut right now. A lot of women are choosing to get the bob with the curtain bangs. It is so popular. Next up, we have someone who has hair just past their shoulders. She might be in for a cut refresh of her bob. Does a nice blunt cut there with the clippers, goes in with the shears, and bam, beautiful bob cut refresh. Very nice. She has a nice tussle texture there. Oh, we have another bob haircut transformation. So she has waist length hair here. Now we already saw that the stylist does end up cutting the hair into a shoulder length bob style. Beautiful, classic, and chic. She has a center part going here, and it ends just above the shoulders. Gorgeous length. Next up, we have someone rocking out the ginger copper color hair trend. Looks like she's getting a color refresh. And you guys already know, if you follow this channel, I love this hair color. I just think it looks so beautiful. It's all about finding the right hue for your complexion, which you can of course do with your colorist. Ooh, so she ends up getting a cut refresh into this bob. The color looks great, and she also gets bangs with this style. Very chic. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.